Good morning, guys. B-Lit Reviews here. I just woke up about a few minutes ago and I just got the breaking news. Nike stores are closing nationwide. I repeat, Nike stores are closing nationwide.
This morning, retailer Nike, a huge retailer in this country, is closing all of its stores for the foreseeable future to deal with the panic of this virus and not wanting people to come in, not do non-essential shopping, which is what Nike basically, sells. You don't need sneakers right now or gym shorts. So they're going to shut down the stores. We're going to have to see who else follows suit on that, as they're a leader in this thing, and that could do a lot of damage to the economy, stuff that Stuart's been talking about all morning long. There has been a lot of panic over this virus. We've got videos. We're going to show some right now. Here's one from Georgia in a Sam's Club where a fight over bottled water led to somebody being stabbed with a broken wine bottle inside of a Sam's Club. You've also had a fight in Australia, women fighting over toilet paper. And you can see in another piece of video, there's just a swarm of people moving in to get toilet paper, one of the hottest commodities right now. People moving in to get toilet paper. As soon as the store opened, that shelf was wiped out in just a matter of seconds. And there are empty shelves all over stores all around the country and around the world, frankly. A lot of things. I mean, look at these pictures from Warrendale, Pennsylvania. The shelves just wiped out. People picking up a lot of things. Some things go really fast, other things don't. And we can take a look at some of these stores that are changing their hours, guys, because the demand has been so severe and there's been such a rush into these stores. They said we need it to slow everything down. We're going to need to get people out of these stores, especially stores like Walmart behind me. Here's a list of the ones that are adjusting their hours and making their hours shorter. Walmart behind me, you're not going to find a 24-hour Walmart now. They've changed their hours. They're going to reduce to be closed about 6-7 hours at night so they can restock and disinfect a lot of these other stores as well to be able to clean up. The ShopRite behind me, I can tell you, out of meat. The meat department completely cleaned out. The Walmart behind me, there's no toilet paper, a lot of cleaning supplies.
I got some clips on here. You can see it just broke. I haven't seen any more videos about this. I wanted to get this out there so you guys will know. I don't know what the shoe game is going to be like. If you can hold what you got, hold it. It's going to be a buyer's market. I've been saying that for weeks now. It is getting it's been very serious, guys. Shoes aside, take care of your family, stay inside as much as possible. We're going to get those tests. There's going to be cases, it's going to be rising. People will walk around, they don't know they're infected. As soon as they're able to test, it's just inevitable, guys. Stores are panicking, toilet paper, water, everything. We already know this, but now Apple's shut down and now Nike's shut down. And I'm sure Hibbett's, Foot Locker, Finish Line, all that's going to follow. Watch the clips that's coming up and you will see what I'm talking about, guys. Stay safe, stay smart, and let's get it.
Stuart, at the intro of this segment, we talked about Nike closing its stores. Are we going to see even more of that?
Well, look what's happened overseas. Italy, Spain, France. They are now mandatory closing stores other than grocery stores and pharmacies. You're beginning to see the start of that here. Apple closed all of its stores in the United States. And now, moments ago, we just announced it, Nike closing all of its stores in the United States. That could spread. That is a shutdown of retail, apart from grocery and pharmacy. And it's a measure of the escalation of the pressure on individuals and their individual freedom of movement and liberty.
Very much so. Well said, Stuart. All right, Jet, down to you for more.
Thanks, Pete.